Good afternoon, all. Am I audible?
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir.
Good
Good afternoon. Already write your exam yesterday, man.
Good, sir. Easy exam only.
Good means you are feeling good. Paper is easy only.
Yes, sir. Easy.
So you should get 100 out of 100, no? Are you getting?
80 and like that. 80,
Why you are
90.
losing that one? Easy. This is competitive exam, man. You are saying easy. That means it will be easy for all. Some people get 100 out of 100. So they'll be toppers now ahead of you, know. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Think logically. It's not that what you have done. It is what how better you are than others. Am I right? Anybody getting 95 plus? No.
Sir, one
The
boy top.
highest is 92, I think.
See, always remember it's not that 92. He has a chance to get another 8 marks. No? Right. Anyway, why I am saying is remember it's a competitive exam. How far you are better than others. See, here we will introduce to you a new method called nodal analysis. As per this method, see, officers slowly they're entering the class. Hmm. Officer, some people are joining very slowly. Be careful. You will be missing anything, you will be at loss. See, this nodal analysis means usually this one method. What we do is, see, this is 50 volts more than this, no? So we simply allot this negative side some 0 volt, for example. Then this side will be what? Plus 50, no?
Yes,
Then
Yes,
this is
sir.
also plus 50 only, no? So this is
yes, sir.
also 0 volt, no? Here, this is a node. We don't know why analysis means we are allotting voltage to every node. That's why we call it as nodal analysis. So this is we don't know. We will allot that this is X volt. Understood this? Clear? Now you can see at this junction, suppose the charge entering the junction must be 0. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
By Kirchhoff's which law?
Junction rule.
Junction rule. Speak out, man. Okay. This is Q1 is how much? High minus low. Q is on CV, no? Sorry. C is 5 micro. Potential difference is this. What is Q2? Q2 is coming me. This is high minus low into 4 mu. Then again this is 0 minus x into 6. Do you agree with this? Speak out, man. Do you agree with this? No voice.
Yes, sir. Agree.
Great, sir.
We are feeling to talk. Huh? Yes, voice is so costly.
No, sir.
Like Muhammad Rafi, all these great singers. Hmm? Understood this till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see what is the charge going like this Q1 only, no?
Yes.
So what is Q1? Can you tell? One. Do you agree with this? Now we want to find equivalent capacitors. Equivalent capacitor means what is the meaning of that? You remove all this set of capacitors and you connect a single capacitor C. Okay, so that the charge drawn is again Q1. That is the meaning of this now. Now what you have Q1 equals CV. Understood this? Follow this?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see normally if you do this, these two are parallel now.
Yes, sir.
I am checking. So 4 in parallel with 6, 10. Now this 10 in series with 4. How much it comes to?
40 by 14.
How much it comes to? 5, no, this is not. You got the same thing? Same thing you got or not?
Yes, sir. Same thing.
So this is how nodal analysis helps us to find complicated, what is it, capacitance, equivalent capacitance, voltages. Understood this?
Yes.
Now if you know this, you can see what is Q2 then? Q2 is coming like this, no? So this is CV. That means this will be minus. The negative charge is coming now. This will be plus. Understood this? Understood this? Is it clear? So nodal analysis helps you to find the charges. Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand one thing, sir. So this, you know, on, on that cell, if it is 50 volt, then if a voltage on one plate is 50 volt more than other plate like that.
I did not understand anything what you're asking.
Sir, how you are getting that 0 volt and 50 volt, sir? That
You
is my
can
doubt.
keep you can keep zero. This is 50 volt means what is the meaning? Potential difference is this. Suppose you keep 100 here, this will be 150. 1000 here, 1050. Anything, same answer will get. Because see here at any roll, final answer is not depend upon the battery voltage. Check up.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
This is some reference potential. This is the potential difference.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. See, yesterday I posted one message. You read that?
Yes, sir.
What is that you understood from that? We have first year, second year also, no? So you are unable to do more work, at least to master those. I am sending two assignments now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
plus HC Verma. At least try to do minimum. At least you will get one good NIT. Followed this?
Yes.
See here, we'll use a nodal analysis. Suppose this is M, this is N. Okay. Now suppose if this is 0 volt, this is E volt, no? That means this is also E volt only, no? This is 0 volt, no? This is Vm. Understood this? Now you can see all junctions. These are junctions now. Every junction is given voltages or not?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Now total charge coming from the junction. So this is, for example, I am saying entering is how much? Q1. Exit is this one, you know. Agreed. Entry I am taking positive, exiting I am taking as negative. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
At node N, till 0 minus y, y minus e. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now from this, this is and this side. Is XC. Do you agree with this? Mm-hmm. Do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
Similarly, what is that you have? First year, see if the exams are in January, you have to complete everything by December. You know that, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, that's why don't keep any assignments pending. Last year you thought you will do, you did not do. This year has come. Till here you followed.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see if the potentials are same, then first year you are comfortable with all topics. Anything is to be
Last few
done.
topics, sir.
See, there
The
is no
last test topics.
huh?
Look,
Elasticity
last
and SHM and all those at the end, which we did.
SHM
Those
and
topics.
also.
That you post it, man. Who will remember all that? Up to rotation, you're perfect. Elasticity and all.
Elasticity, we have problems, sir. Rotation is perfect up to rotation mechanics.
Till here you followed.
Yes, sir.
Same thing you got now. If these potential, that's why when you connect a capacitor, that is what we learned previously. Remember?
Yes, sir.
This is how we do unbalanced Wheatstone bridges. See here, battery doesn't play any role. This is what we learned, no? Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear, sir. One answer.
Yes, sir.
Understood how to apply nodal analysis?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Right. So, means you have confidence that you can score 240 marks. Single student is not having that answer. Sir. Hmm? What man? Nobody are there.
Sir, what
Yes,
exactly
sir.
is the level of questions in mains?
Hmm?
Sir, it depends on the level of questions.
So you are given the remote to others to control you. Huh? Hmm?
No,
And
sir.
you will never be successful anywhere. Always remote should be in our hand. The assignments yesterday they were told to don't know. If you are perfect with that, you can ask any question in mains. Okay?
Okay, sir.
We will try to do.
Pardon? Advanced means okay. I can understand. So here what we do now in all these questions, connect any battery. There's no use. You can connect first step is any battery. Understood this? Okay. After that, yeah. Yesterday I posted in that electrostatics part already I posted earlier.
Yes, sir.
Completed from that.
Yes, sir. Electrostatics is finished.
Capacitance also. That one and the two assignments which I posted, if you are perfect, 100% you can do any problem in mains. I told mastering, not copying. Okay, till here we have a situation like this. So we'll as usual, this is Q1. That means Q1 plus Q2 comes over here. This will add up like this now. Am I right or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see at this junction, 100 minus x leaving is this one, you know. At the below junction, from this you get x, from this you get y. Okay. Once you get x, what is q1? What is q2? Do it. See, once you get this, then equivalent capacitance means what? You are disconnecting all those capacitors. You are keeping a single capacitance called C equivalent, so that the charge that comes out from the battery is how much? Q1 plus Q2, this is 100. So you have Q equals C. Substitute this Q1, Q2 here, you'll get C equivalent. Understood the method?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this here 4 by 2 is not equals to 2 by 8. So it's unbalanced Wheatstone bridge, you know. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
How much you got, man?
One minute, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
18.
Last.
How much you got?
So 1540 by 3.
104 by 31 he gave.
Sorry, sir. I got some other answers. No, sir.
47 by 59 meters.
This is what we should get, check up.
We are getting 44 by 15, sir.
4 by 15, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 44 by 15.
Yes, sir. 44 by 15.
Sir, the equations are wrong, sir. We did not consider Q3.
At the end, Q3 cancels out, right?
No. Q1 enters and then Q3 leaves, and then the 2 farad one, 2 microfarad one, that also leaves. You have to consider the Q3 variable also.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Got this?
Sir, in the equations, one term is missing. In the first one, there should be a -4 into x minus y term also.
Okay, one term is missing here. Entry first, this is. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. After solving these, 104 by 31. Got the correct answer.
How much you got? Q1, Q2 got? Huh? Finally got the answer. Huh?
Finally got it. 104 by 31.
Understood the method? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Anybody are there from Bangalore?
Yes, sir.
You're from Bangalore, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Mysore.
Anybody from MS school?
Yes, sir.
How many are there?
Well, I think 15 people are there.
15 children, man. All are from Olympiad batches, huh?
Apart from other branches,
Olympias batches, huh?
yes, sir.
There is AS batches, no? Olympias. Right. Find VA minus VB. See, from tomorrow you have holidays, I think, no?
Yes, sir.
You want holiday? Is it necessary? Necessary, man.
No, sir.
You can celebrate after you get IITs and all, no?
Yes.
Hmm? I'm trying to take class and complete electricity at least. What do you say? Your suggestion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can take the class tomorrow.
Right. The steady state means after the capacitors are fully charged. Am I right? Right. As usual, what you will do, man? Suppose you take 0 volt, what will be this? So this is also 100 volt only, no? This is 100 volt. Every junction same 100 volt. This is 0 volt. This is 0 volt. This is 0 volt. Now you don't know this, so you will take X volt. So this is also X volt. Everything is there, anything is missing. All junctions are allotted. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Now if you take this junction M, if you take that, charges are flowing like this. Okay. Then what you have? So first year, which portion you need, just post it in the group, man. See, this
Okay,
is
sir.
going like this now. Mhm. See, this is also same, no? These two are same, no? See, these two are same node. You're able to follow or not?
Follow.
Yes, sir. Follow.
Yes, sir.
This is charge entering, charge leaving. This is charge leaving. This is charge leaving. Any doubt is there? Got this? Any doubt?
Sir, I'm not understanding.
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Both have same potential. Sir.
Pardon?
Sir,
Hello?
how they have same? Sir, how they have same potential?
They are connected by the wire, no? There is no device. Whole thing is same potential, no?
Yes, sir.
See, I can actually join them like this, no? B. Here you are going one, and another one is this, no? Understood this? Boys,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
how much you got X? ఎవరు Hmm. ఏడు తెలియడని What is X?
Sir, 150/2.
That is 75 Newton, 75 volt. Am I right?
Sir, so 75.
The final answer is 25 volts.
VAB we need, no?
Hundred minus 75.
It's 100 minus 75.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
So sometimes you have some symmetrical circuits. See, these circuits again will come back in current electricity. See, suppose you have to find CAB. See, for example, I am allotting this. It need not be 100. Anything it may be. Understood this? This is 0
Yes,
volt.
sir.
That means I am connecting a battery of 100 volts. I am assuming that I am connecting a battery of 100 volts. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
See, if you forget about this upper and lower, just observe this. Needs lot of intuition. You are getting this now?
Yes,
This
sir.
part.
Yes, sir.
These two capacitors are equal, no? So what will be this 50 volt? This should be 50 volt, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Use charge division rule, man. Q is same, no? CV1. Q is same, C is same. Therefore, V1 should be equal to V2, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So answer, man. Otherwise, it will be delayed discussion. This is 50 means, suppose this is, that means this whole thing is divided equally. So if this is 100, if 50 is dropped here, how much should be left over here? 50, no? So this is 0 volt, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
100 minus 50 is 50. 50 minus 0 is 50. So this is, do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
Agree, sir.
Right. Now suppose this is X. This will also be X now because they're equal capacitors now. By
Yes, sir.
symmetry, they're symmetrical now. Any
Yes,
path
sir.
is same now. Symmetry means you start
Yes, sir.
from here. To reach this, you have to pass through only one capacitor now.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
Now this is, what is the PD between these? X minus 0, X only now.
X. Yes, sir. X.
Now
Yes, sir.
this and this are symmetrical or not? Are they not same?
Yes, sir.
This and this are similar or not?
No,
Symmetrical,
sir,
sir.
because
Yes, sir. Similar, sir.
sir, that will have 100.
No, man. This capacitance wise you tell, then we'll see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Capacitance wise, agreed?
Yes, sir. Similar.
So 0 minus X. So here, how much can I take? This is 100 minus X, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there in this?
No doubt, sir.
Because 100, this is 100 now. 100 minus X is how much? X only, no? 100 minus X, how much it will be?
X.
X.
That is X only, no? This is 0 minus
Yes.
X only, no? Following this or not?
Following, sir.
Any doubt? So this is entry, this is exit, no? This is entry. This is charge should come like this, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this side it will be X minus 0. Do you agree with whatever charge enters, it should come out now?
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
Now on similar line, this is also 100 minus X now. This is X now. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Till here any doubts are there? Just check up. Now, because these are same, I can join them now. I can simply join this now. This is 100 minus this is 100 minus x now. See, this is 100 minus x. This is 100 minus x. That means this capacitor and this capacitor are parallel or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this is 2c. Do you agree with this? Now you can
Yes,
see
sir.
this is what is the PD between these two?
100, sir.
100, sir.
Potential difference, man. 100 minus 2x, no? 100
Yes, sir.
minus
Yes, sir.
oh,
Yes, sir. Yes.
oh,
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
this
sir.
is also 100 minus 2x only, no? That means this and this are parallel or not?
Parallel, sir.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
This is 50, 100 minus, what is the PD between these two? And
50
these
minus
two.
x.
This is 100. For this also,
50 minus x.
that means that this is also 2c, no? On similar line, this is 2c. Do you agree with this? Any doubt is there in this?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Now you can see what is the PD between these two?
50 minus x.
Between these two?
50 minus x.
50
Parallel.
minus x.
This is 50 minus x, no? PD. This is 50 minus x, this is 50 minus x, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means this PD is equal to this PD, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Parallel.
sir.
Till here you followed.
Followed, sir.
That means I can separate this, no? So this is 50, this is also 50. Can I do like this? Now is this structure changing? See whether here what you have 100 minus 50, this is also 100 minus 50. This is 50 minus 0, this is 50 minus 0. Between these two, how much you have?
50 minus x.
50 minus
50
x.
minus x.
This is also 50 minus x. Between these two, 50 minus x. 50 minus x. Are these not equivalent? Same only, no?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see these two are in series.
Parallel.
Hopeless fellow. What is
Sorry,
this?
sir.
These series. Series means 2c in series with series. How much? 2c in series with 2c. It is what?
1C.
Okay. That c and this are in parallel. 3c.
3C.
3c, 2c, 2c are in series. Okay. That is in parallel with these two. Agreed? Now you
Yes,
can
sir.
get CAB or not? Understood this? Followed this?
Followed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Five by four C.
Hmm. Any doubt? Hello.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
5C by 4 you got. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 5C by 4.
Any doubt is there in this?
No
No
doubt,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Hello? Complete it.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, as I told you, this is the minimum book needed only for circuits. Okay. This is totally your circuits only will be there. Total. Entire book is circuit analysis. There you come across your complex numbers. Okay. Remember this complex number by mistake.
Yes, sir.
You finish complex numbers, you know now. You got finished the complex number, still pending.
No, sir, we haven't
Pending,
finished.
sir. Not
Pending.
yet done.
These complex numbers, all these are there in your syllabus. Average power, okay. All these AC circuits is also there for us. Now we'll be doing all these things, effective current. Okay. Now complex frequency, complex Kirchhoff's laws. What is this? You seen this?
Sir.
Understood this? So your life is totally in this only. Like 10th class, I'll finish this to that term. I see graphs, how complicated graphs will be. I'll just finish 2 and all, and I'll go away. There's no need of all that students. Better don't join engineering. Understood this? Okay. Now you'll be hearing students speaking. All this is not needed. Computer science and all. Computer science is basically maths only. Applications, a logic. I am a client. I am very rich. I came to a software company. I'll say that I'll sit on my bed. Automatically, my stove should cook the food which I desire, and I should get the food to me. I don't get up. I won't open my mouth also. Food should enter my mouth, and I should feel the taste. My hunger should go away. This is what I give the limitations to the software company. These software companies, they'll accept that job for money's sake, and they call the team of engineers who can do that. So that is called the front end, that is the back end people. So they will be calling one who accept that. They will say this is your increment for our bonus for this. That may run into crores. Suppose the team is given 100 crores. This company fellow will say 1000 crores for me. So 900 crores company will keep, 100 crores goes to the team. Okay. From that you can see how the thing, the last fellow get, Google has an employee of salary 10,000 rupees. You're aware of that? Anybody else in MS there, the people, Rice, no?
Sir.
Now, anybody asks Rice where you are working, what he will say? MS college only, no? He won't say in MS college I am a sweeper. Will he say that?
No, sir.
So they are computer science engineer who are working for 10,000, 20,000 also. And they say I am working with Google, I am working with this. Actually, the salary slip, if you see, very less actually. So those are the idiots who has taken these decisions. Just to finish out the syllabus somehow, copy or something, get to the minimum marks. So they'll go. So those people will take the amount which company will pay. They are people, suppose you have subject now, you will demand from the company. So you want to be in that's called top notch jobs. If you want to be in that, okay, then you need all this. You want to do the petty jobs, whichever company is asking. Petty jobs means you do whatever you say, they'll say you have to do. For example, I don't have subject, man. In college, whatever they say, I have to do. No, no, I won't do. I'll do my whatever I need to the student, my job coming. I won't do anything else. Reason for that is, if not this, another thing. I'm saying example. So my sense is, you don't define yourself. This is all ocean. I am not the fellow who has designed this, no? Agreed. So these are all there in your syllabus. Don't think that this is for fun sake. Already you studied 10th class like that only. They told in 10th class, no, this year if you put hard work, your life will be settled. You heard of this dialogue, huh?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Where it will settle means it will settle here. So there is nothing like what is that level. Life settlement is meaningless. What is life settlement mean? I don't understand. Huh? Nothing. Even a monk, a beggar, everybody who has brain at logical thinking, a brain capacity to think, automatically is attached with thoughts. Thoughts will always give you some tremors. Always will be tense only. That is a part of life. What is that settlement? Okay, after that you will say, now engineering IIT, right? After that job, okay, that also you got. After that wife, okay, that also you got. After that children, that also you got. After that, graveyard only, no? Finally. So this settlement, all that is nonsense. Don't believe all that nonsense. Every minute enjoy your life. How? Now you are studying. Enjoy that study. Abba, 4 o'clock I should go. 4:30 that serial will come. 5 o'clock I have to talk my friend. If you do like this, you can't concentrate on anything. You will never be happy. Okay? You accept this work. Okay? Do that sincerely. Understood this? Enjoy the work. That is only happiness. There is nothing like after settlement I will enjoy. You will never enjoy. There is no question of settlement only. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Do you think
Yes.
Bill Gates is settled? Huh? No.
No, sir.
No, nobody are settled, man, because they have their own tensions. For example, our chairman is there. He's settled, huh? Chaitanya chairman is said, no, they have more tensions because they don't know whether they get revenue or not, but they have to look up, pay the rents, take care of the salaries. Everything is a headache for them, no? Anything goes wrong at any one point, it will be disturbance for him only, no? Other employees, suppose X is there, he doesn't play, he created one trouble in MS. He will resign and go and join another college, no? But chairman cannot go and join as chairman another college. Do you have that? Can Bill Gates come out and join as chairman of Microsoft? No, because the reason is chairman is the owner. He cannot go anywhere. Followed? Why I am saying is the basic problem is in 10th class, they'll tell all this nonsense. This year you will settle, that year you will never settle. That is one nonsense. And some people will really believe all that nonsense and they'll mug up. So I believe a fellow who got more in 10th is one of the worst fellows in the universe. Reason is he simply mugged up, no IQ, nothing. If really 10th class marks are so valuable, why do they conduct IIT and all? They can give from those marks only, no? The government fully knows that these are all useless marks. But why they are giving marks means everybody will pass, no? There is more literacy rate in India, so India is a developed country. Therefore, they can get international monetary fund.
Yes, sir.
Once they get loan, politicians can eat off that money, no? So the whole agenda is for them to earn money, not for you. Always the day you were have emerged from tiny cell into the mother's womb, okay, you live in darkness in almost one of the worst things in universe. Can you now go and sit in gutter, where lavatory everything is flowing? But
No, sir.
when we lived in the mother's womb, in that, you know that inside our mother's home, all she ate, everything you can see that darkness. But we are protected one layer. That's a different issue. But around us, what it will be? All that the moment you have been conceived as a microscopic cell, then only your trouble started. There's nothing like from God you are knocked away. Reason is you are not good. You have done some mistake. Go and do all good deeds. Then you can come back to me. That is how God has sent us. The moment He has sent us, He went into some creature's womb. Trouble started. So every moment, enjoy. That's it. I have this class. Immediately have revision class. Some work I'll have. It doesn't mean Ammaya, my class is over. Means what Ammaya, my class is over. Next class is coming now. This is the why people mainly won't get success is you study for the sake of time being. So always enjoy whatever you're doing, any profession. You do a beggar job. Have a proper enjoy that work of begging. Different ways of begging, different places of begging. Okay. Saturday Venkateswara temple, Sunday some church. Like that you can move from place to place. Now Bakrid is coming, go to mosque. That's one type of enjoyment. Okay. Any job you do, enjoy that. Students generally, the concept is with minimum input you want to get maximum. How is that possible? Violation, no? Followed this. Do your work with utmost sincerity, then God will definitely bless you. I told you, no? Your life you got is God has given. What you do with 100% sincerity is what you are returning back to God. You'll be observing, no? You may cheat me, man. Some people are there, they join late, they won't come to the classes. You think Almighty is not observing them? Definitely. So he'll feel this fellow has given all facilities, is misusing. So one fine day he'll take the appropriate action. What is given is misused. So what he needs will not be given to him. See, this is the why I'm telling all this is after this IIT exam, after that IIT entrance exam, after that you go into the IIT, there also you have. All these are headaches, man. It's not an easy job. Studies means ever. This is not a simple one. Forever, forever, forever you have to study. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
I told you, no, even this also dynamics. This is also engineering only, no? I have few books left over with me. Many things I lost here and there, but still, these are all variable mass problems. You are recollecting? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is only our IIT advanced questions, no? That engineering professors do all this from these books. No, why I am saying all this is your parabola, parabola is going now for maths.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Parabola applications you will have. So all mixed with the projectile motion, collisions, okay, carom board problem, all this. Haven't you seen all this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. And if people think this is only for mechanics, like that, every topic you are studying in 2 years course is one subject in your engineering. For example, elasticity is there. You have strength of materials. The curriculum is so designed, man. So don't think that studies there is end, there is nothing. The journey, unless you again return back to God, this continues forever. That's why better to do all good deeds. Once you do good deeds, then you'll again immediately go to God. This problem won't be coming. Any bad deeds, again you have to suffer in another life, forever. Okay. Anything is not visible to us, that effects will be very miserable. You know that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Air is not visible. It is giving us life now. Corona is not visible. Is it not killing us? That means the invisible entity has the strength to give us happiness or misery. Understood this? So
Yes.
please take care of yourself. Many people think that this year is over. What is that, man? In charge, I should call in charge and tell him to look at the absentees, post the message. What is daily? What is his duty for me, man? No other worker. Hmm? Because why I am doing is it's my responsibility as a teacher to ensure that children won't miss the class. That's why I'm doing. Not that you give me some medals and all. Okay. Now the same problem we can deal it in another way. This is 0, 100. Why I am saying is December you have to complete first year, second year, everything. Nothing is left. Now after that, what you have done, man, just now? If this is x, this must be x because the old this is x minus 0. Charges will come like this only, no? And the charges go like this. So if this is x, this must be x only, no? Because both are C, no? Q
Yes, sir.
is equal to CV.
Yes, sir.
Q is same, C is same. The voltage difference should be same, no? So what
Yes,
is
sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
100 minus x. This is, and as I discussed, this is 50. Just now you have seen, no? Previous problem.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there in this?
No, sir.
No doubts.
Now we will be writing Kirchhoff's law so that it will be easy for us. Suppose at this point P, write Kirchhoff's law. Anyway, you can write. Suppose charge is coming like this. Example I am saying. You can take this as CV. You will get X now. Hello? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you can see, you can get the charges here now. So for example, this is Q1, Q2, Q3. Then what is this? Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 now. What is Q1 man? Can you tell? CV no? Hello. You're getting irritated. Eh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now you can see that if you remove all that and keep a single capacitor called C equivalent, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, C equivalent into 100. Find out this. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Suppose you don't want to join all this I have done now. You don't want to do that. Don't do it. All this you should study, man. Enjoy each problem. Bah. Fascinating world. No, no. How much you got, man? Hello.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
All regions of WHO have increasing cases in this last week. This is not a flat curve. This is an increasing curve, making assumptions that transmission will not increase because we're opening up because vaccine is a false assumption. Transmission will increase when you open up because, number one, we don't have vaccines in everybody, and number two, the vaccine coverage rates are low, and we're not still sure to what extent vaccination protects against the ability to be infected. This means with increased transmission in the community, we then put our most vulnerable at risk again. It's about preventing being exposed to the virus and preventing you exposing others to the virus. Look around in your community. Know the local numbers. If the virus is present in your community and transmitting, and you're a vulnerable person and you're not vaccinated, then you are potentially going to be exposed. So the idea that everyone is protected and it's come by and everything goes back to normal, I think right now is a very dangerous assumption. Anywhere in the world, we don't have to. really careful at this moment.
So C equivalent is 1.25.
Pardon?
So C equivalent is 1.25.
No, no, same thing you should get no previous one and now it will
Yes.
change.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
5 by 4 C.
You should get no method is changing 5C by 4, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
You know the message is from whom just now?
No, sir.
WHO chief. WHO sees his warning against the opening up of our, but our politicians for money's sake they're opening. Right, let us come back to the other one. Corona has no religion, nothing, no emotions. And it is simply going to reside, that's all. It has to live, it lives, that's all. For living it needs something, no? So it eats the inner parts of us, that's all, nothing else. We cannot blame Corona, just like how we are trying to live, it is also trying to live. So why to give your body as a rental to Corona unnecessarily? Once you give as a rent, it will destroy your house. All are C only. Find see again the same story. What you will do? Connect one some battery here. I am assuming it to be 100. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 100 now.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose this is X. See this current is going like this now. The charge is going like this. See this is charge comes out like this now from this. Please understand this. It divides like this now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It divides like this. So this is X minus 0. X only, no? So this should
Yes,
be
sir.
what?
100 minus X.
Right, very good. Because that will be X, no? Till here you followed.
Yes, sir.
Now, see these are symmetrical, no? All these paths are equal, no? See, equal
Yes.
paths means, see, whatever you go like this, to the output, how many capacitors are there? If you start from here, 1, 2, 3. Any path you take, 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
You want to go 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir. 3.
1, 2, 3. If the number of capacitors that you have to pass through while going from input to output is same. All the paths are equivalent. Understood this? Is it
Sir.
clear
Yes,
or
sir.
not? So
Yes,
that
sir.
means
Yes.
if this is x, this should be x only, no? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Understood this?
Understood.
Understood, sir.
So this is, now what will be this, can you tell?
100 minus x.
100 minus x.
Because this and this are symmetrical, no? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And this should be, because this and this are x only, no?
Yes, sir. Symmetry.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Suppose at P, you can write anywhere at P. Can you tell what is that you are getting? I'll take like this. So entry, following what I am barking.
Following, sir.
Following, sir.
What my barking a subject.
Subject, sir.
Subject, sir.
You'll get x now. Once you
Yes,
get
sir.
x, see, such an easy one. You can find Q2, Q2, Q1, no? What is Q1? What is Q2? Here, what is Q3?
100 minus.
Same thing you're getting.
Yes, sir.
So that means here what you have?
Q1 plus Q2 plus Q.
So you can take the C equivalent capacitor, same 100 volt, following as before. You can get now.
6 by 5 C.
So you'll get C equivalent. Understood this? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, the same problem is there in HC Verma. See, he has done by other, why he has done also, no, he should understand, we can't understand. Okay, he just took that, he did not mention anything, he just gave, from the figure it is evident that, and he gave 3 directions, that's all.
Completed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir.
See, find CAB. See, previous one, this is the ends of body diagonal. What are these? Ends of body diagonal. Is it clear? Now this
Yes.
is ends of
Face diagonal.
a face diagonal. Understood this? So here also same thing. Connect 100 volts battery.
It's 0.
Forward this. Now all are C only, no? So this is this path. Look at this. And this path, totally it is coming to 100 only, no? Understood this or not? So this should be 50, no? So that this is 50 drop, this is 50 drop, 100. Similarly, this is 50, no? Following or not? If you go like this, 50 drop, another 50 drop, we are reaching here. This 100 should be dropped, no? Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir. Understood.
No doubt, sir.
Because they are identical, no? So this is one path, this is another path. Agreed? So if this is x, we don't know it, this is 50. Agreed? See, this is 0 minus x. This will come like this. So this will be what? So
100.
that x minus 0, they agree is 100 minus 100 minus x.
Yes.
Any
Sir.
doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So what will be this 50 only, no?
Yes, sir. 50 minus x.
Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
At any one point, suppose this is point P. Apply Kirchhoff's law. Can you do it or not?
50 minus x into c.
You'll get x. Once you get x, you can get q1. Okay. Understood? Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Four by three c, sir.
Hmm. Any doubt, man?
No
No,
doubt, sir.
sir.
Done, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
No doubt,
No
sir.
doubt.
No doubt, sir.
So, what is your convenient time for classes? No, you want to enjoy? Enjoy.
No, sir. This time is correct. Perfect.
Then I have prayers and all.
Sure.
No? Hmm?
Morning also, okay.
In my view, even a festival, I don't know what
No,
is
sir.
the
From
meaning
2
of.
to 4, we don't have
No,
any prayers.
I don't know what is festival also because I take classes. Remember last year also during Dasara and all I took. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So I
For
don't know.
Kerala, tomorrow Bakrid will be there, sir.
Yeah, sir. Kelats and
Yes,
sorry.
man, I do it. For everybody, Bakrid will be there, man. Bakrid means from morning 6 to night to 12 o'clock, we will be. What you will do? Hmm? No, only for studies. Why there won't be any festival, man? Tell festival of studies. Morning you'll go to church, mosque, you do all the prayers, everything. Afternoon, then after 2 o'clock, what you'll do? 2 to 5. Any work?
Sacrifice.
2 to 5 you'll sacrifice. You sacrifice studies, huh? No, 2 to 5 you want to sacrifice studies? Sacrifice, I think it's
No, sir.
morning only, no? Morning only, no? Afternoon, 2 to 4, huh?
No, sir.
Whenever my
Morning only.
class is
9
Some
to
there,
night too early and some night too late, sir. Up to
oh,
them.
up from 2 to 4 also they do this, huh?
Yeah, sir. It's depend on the speed.
Convenient
With their convenience, they will do, sir. Yes, sir.
Pardon?
According to the convenience, they will do, sir. This.
Yeah, so sometimes we will find butchers, sometimes we won't.
Butcher.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes,
so that's
sir.
the problem.
Okay, then. So tomorrow, day after, again we'll come meet on Saturday then, okay?
Sir, tomorrow
Right.
evening you can take class.
No, people are
Tomorrow
saying
there
that.
is no festival, sir. Day after
People
tomorrow.
are only saying, no, they're having some festival, something they're saying.
No, sir. Evening we will be free. By evening we will be free.
You will be free when
Tomorrow-
others are not free, no?
Tomorrow
Abrar
you
is
can
saying,
take home. Tomorrow, not this day after tomorrow, sir, it is.
Yes, sir.
Keralites
Yes,
have
sir.
tomorrow, no?
Yes, sir.
Keralites have tomorrow, no?
Oh,
No, sir.
No,
Some
sir.
people
Wednesday only.
some boys saying Kerala will. Abrar told, I think, no?
No, sir. One Keralian boys.
Okay, if possible, tomorrow 2 to 4 you'll be free, yeah? Evening is not possible. Prayers will be there. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, then I'll think and inform.
Sir,
Okay?
revision class?